Hi, in this short video, I'll show you how to sign up at surem.net. So first, go to our website and click on the Sign Up tab. Write your first name and last name and create a user ID and make sure that your password matches. And then enter your cell phone number and write down your email address. Click Send Verification and you will receive a verification code to your email address. So copy the verification code and paste it on to this box. Click Agree, indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions of our website, and type in the number that you see on the left-hand side and hit confirm. Okay, and then if you click register, you will be signed up at surem.net and will be ready to use all the services that we provide on our website. Thank you.